Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download the Mashreq bank statement. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download the statement via Mashreq mobile app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Mashreq mobile application and then tap on the sign in option on the bottom of your screen. Then you will be given the username and password section. Simply enter in your username and password, then tap on sign in option and then log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on your current or savings or new account. Then you will enter the account details screen. Now here what you need to do is tap on statements or account statement. Then inside choose monthly statement or custom date range. Then once that's done, what you need to do is download the statement. To do it, simply tap on download PDF or share or save to files or send via email or WhatsApp. This statement downloads instantly as PDF. The next method is download statement via Mashreq online banking in your laptop or your computer. What you need to do is simply head over and open up a browser, and then on the search bar type in Mashreq online banking in your browser. Then log in with the username. Then once logged in, simply go to accounts. Then inside accounts, select your account. Then click on statements and then choose the period. And now once that's done, you'll find an option that says download PDF. Simply tap on that and your statement will be downloaded. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.